Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Guatemala. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on your relationships and other visas that you have, you may now or may not actually need a visa. And when you want to see this requirements and steps, always check as per the official entity of your destination country. Um, that covers your residential area, because based on that there could be additional steps, documents, even fee too. Okay, so in front of you I have opened this Guatemala Embassy New Delhi website. Okay, so here uh, under consular section you have the option of visas. Okay, if you scroll down you have given there you have the two categories, B and C. So if I go for C, so C category is for like you are a Bangladeshi, Nepali or Sri Lankan passport holder, you can apply C. Okay, but for Indian national it's B. See, Indian passport holder. Now what are the things you need? You need application form, okay, valid passport, flight ticket, proof of income and bank statement of last 3 months. International credit card on case or debit card must present a bank statement for last 6 months. Basically proof of funds, invitation letter, letter of service requirement in case of required of paid consultation services. Okay, fine. So again, some case by case. Fee is 50 USD for single, and for multiple it's 150 USD. Okay, so how are you gonna apply? So you have to apply in person. Okay, so when and how to go there, that's what I'm gonna show you almost immediately now. Scroll down the page, they have written. Okay, so uh, you can apply, okay, at the embassy, and their working hours for the visa application Monday to Friday 9:30 to 1, and all applicants have to apply in person and appear for an interview. So you need to send an email to this email address to fix an appointment for a visa interview, and you have to go along with the documents as we did before. Okay, all right. Now the visa fee as applicable has to be deposited in dollar cash, and the candidate are requested to kindly carry the exact amount. Okay, so now that is clear. Now if you search for visa application form, you will get this visa form also, because other documents you know, right? So this section is for office use, don't worry about it. Visa number and all, name, date and place of birth, nationality, profession, gender, marital status, home address, phone and passport details. Now name and other important details must match with your passport. Okay, name of the company you work. If you are a student, then provide your college's name, position held, write accordingly. Salary and monthly income, provide that, and address and phone number details. Address in Guatemala. So if you have already booked the hotel, you have that, right? Reason for travel visit, for tourism, it's gonna be tourism. Scheduled date of visit, so if you have already booked a flight ticket, you have it, right? How long you're gonna stay in the country, if you have visited before or not. What other countries have you visited? So provide that information, and then assign city date. Now this section for consulate use only. You need a photo 4x4 also, right? so that also you should carry. With all this process, like collect all the documents, fill the form, carry it, okay, and then go for your interview after scheduling by emailing to that email address. When everything works out, it's all good to go. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.